But today's just a gorgeous, beautiful, I don't know what you can call it, but it's not hot, it's not that cold, it's just like perfect. Oh, look at they put a fence in there, somewhere in there. This ice is stuck on the mountain. I think somebody put it on it. Well, still we have some ice or snow in here, but
Way it's cut. Looks like a flower the way it's cut.
I'm trying to make a flower. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like a rose. Something like that. Look at those mountains. So if we go, what are we gonna do there? Está bien caro allí. Yes. ¿Sabes lo que miré, Abraham? Que están vendiendo de esos tarcenes de iron. $5. How much they cost new? $12?
Iron skillets?
Yes.
Something like 12 to $20.
So $5 se me hizo barato y whenever we go camping, I think it would be nice if we get those iron. Oh, look at that. I don't know, let me see if I can get it.
Yeah, remember we're close to the river.
They are, oh, I cannot get them. They are
Selling.
parasailing,
Something like that.
gliding, parasailing. I just cannot see it.
That's right.
I think they like to bike on that road because probably drivers are more careful driving because they know of their present.
You think the people come from Venezuela or Colombia?
I don't know where they're coming from, but looks like they're very happy, and I'm glad that everybody comes here and enjoys this beautiful place. Okay, so that rock wall, and a ver, no quiero pisar ahí. Hey, almost knock it down. And be careful, try to move it. It's gonna go all the way down there. We're talking about the rock because it's kind of on top of the little tree. So sorry, my camera doesn't really get the mountains really well. They're like so beautiful. They are perfect to go skiing or snowboarding.
Actually, yeah. I don't shop it.
Decided they can fly in the movies. Yeah, and they did put a movie there while Taylor and Nico are here.
Pure love. Water? Why do we have water? Where is it coming from?
Snow, maybe?
Snow?
Looks like it's coming from
It's coming like from there? Always watch your step. Just look at this. Beautiful rocks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Ciao.